Shake effect on KineMaster. Why did I use the rock to represent that?
So a couple hours ago, I was watching some good content, also some of the latest content from Subs Ultra, and I discovered that he made a tutorial video how to make shake effect. So that gave me an idea. Why don't I make a video on how to do a tutorial on something else on KineMaster? We're gonna start out simple, so you're gonna create a new project. Make sure it's 16 and semicolon 9. So you want to click that. You can do any kind of thing you want. Put in any kind of font, but I'm gonna go background. Let's choose a mountain. Okay, so stretch that out. So reminder, this could be an image or a photo, anything you want. So you press layer, you press text, and we're just gonna type KineMaster. So yeah, that's that. And so what I like to do personally is grab these fonts from this little KineMaster asset store. You gotta go to like this little T thing, and I mainly go all the way to the display section, and yeah, that's mainly where I get my fonts from. So yeah, you're gonna want to download some of these. So I'm just gonna go with National Park regular, or actually I'm just gonna go with Bangers regular because that one's actually pretty good. So you can choose your color out through here, this little thing. I personally don't bother the colors and keep it on white, and there's a shadow, no shadow, glow option, outline. The outline doesn't really show, but there's background color and full width background. So yeah, you got that. So mainly what I like to do here is make my text go really small. Hold on. What I like to do also is tap this little text thing, go all the way to the end, then tap this and press trim to the right of playhead. So that's what I do. But this, you're gonna wanna make it small. Press this little key that's like an animation key. So you're gonna slide just a little bit until this pops up. So, don't do it too small or else it's gonna be like nothing's happening. So when that happens, you wanna click this and then just zoom it all the way up. And I like tilting it just a little bit for style, and then go all the way back here, and then just zoom it in just a little bit more. That like that, something like that. You should get something like that. So that's what I do, and you're just gonna want to go right there. So that's gonna be that. Sometimes I like going overall animation, go to make it float, and when it's done right here, you're gonna press out animation, scale up, and just go all the way here, like it's nothing. But I'm gonna get rid of the glow for now because it's starting to bother me. Yeah, so it goes out there pretty fast. Yeah, that's basically it for today. So you're gonna want to exit out of here, click on your project, press that little share button. Also, if you want to keep your frame rate at 60 frames per second, that's alright, but I keep mine personally at 60. You can keep it at 30. If you can have a phone that doesn't have that much storage, I recommend you keep it on 30. But how you get it to be on 60 frames per second, you got to go all the way out, click this little setting thing, go back all the way down to advanced and experimental settings, and then you click on allow export frame rates higher than 30 frames per second. So yeah, you can do that if you want 60 frames, and click this little share button, and I like to keep mine's on 1080p, because if it's on this one, it's gonna take up more space, so keep it on 1080p. If you want it like really clean, keep it on 60 frames, but if your phone can't handle that much, tablet, whatever you got, keep it on 30. So yeah, you're gonna want to export that, and I will see you guys when the finished product is done. Okay, so when your product is done, you're gonna want to click on what's done. So it's gonna pop up like that. It's gonna be very clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little video, little tutorial. Actually, I've never done a tutorial, really, only just a couple, but yeah. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment too if you want. I love you guys. Bye.